Today we are going to draw a hot air balloon. We're going to use simple shapes and lines just like we do every time we draw. I know it might be a little bit scary because we probably haven't drawn a hot air balloon before, but we're going to try our best. And the only way that we know how to do something is because we've tried and we've learned. Okay, so if we're going to be drawing a hot air balloon, that's probably going to be outside so that it can float in the sky. So with that being said, normally we do our paper landscape for outside pictures, but because our hot air balloon is going to be up in the air, we're going to turn our paper portrait style today. Okay, make sure that you use a pencil and you have an eraser so that you can erase mistakes. But remember, I'm going to draw with my black colored pencil so that you can see better. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw kind of an upside down U shape. Just like that. Good job. Now we're going to go ahead and draw kind of a cloud line up underneath. That's going to show us where our balloon is attached to the basket. And the basket is where the people stand. Okay, now we're going to draw our first little lines. These would be our ropes that attach to our basket. Okay, we're going to start by drawing the very top, the very edge of the basket where you can just look over and see everything that's way below you. So we're going to draw kind of a flat oval shape. It's more flat than we would normally draw an oval, but it's really just kind of a squished oval, nice and flat. Okay, we're going to draw the sides of the basket now. This basket's kind of like a box, and the people will stand here inside the box so that they can float up in the air. Okay, we're going to do another super squished oval for the bottom of the basket. All right, just like that. Now we're going to draw the next lines to connect our balloon to our basket. So right here where there's a point, we're going to draw a line down. Same thing here and here. Now, if you decide in just a little bit that you want your family in here, you can erase some of these lines so that we can see your family. I would erase like these two lines so you got space here and you've got space here. Okay, the next step you're going to do is you're going to decorate your balloon. You can do zigzag lines, you can draw a picture, you can do anything you want on your balloon, and then you're going to decorate your basket. You can do wavy lines, you can do zigzag lines, you can try to make it look like it is a woven basket. That's up to you. I'm just going to do wavy lines. I'm going to do one more towards the bottom, just like that. There you go. And I think that I'm going to do a line that follows right here. You could, if you really like Spider-Man, you could draw some lines and make this look like a web. That's up to you. You can decorate the balloon however you want. Okay, right now, your balloon is done. You're going to decorate the hot air balloon and you're going to finish the rest of your picture however you want. Your balloon could be sitting on the ground, you know, you're about to get in, or you just came back from your hot air balloon ride. So you would need to draw your horizon line where your sky and your ground meets. If you want your balloon to be way up in the air, what would you draw in the background to show that your balloon is in the air? Maybe some clouds, maybe some birds. You could put the sun. Could you draw trees really small down here at the bottom to show that your balloon is way high up in the air? Yep. What if your balloon is kind of just getting started floating in the air? Could you draw little bitty flowers down here? Yes, you could. You get to decide how you want to decorate your background. Once you're completely done drawing, I want you to color it really, really nicely. I want to see your best coloring. Remember, this weekend is Mother's Day, so if you do a really, really good job, and maybe if you include your family, you could give this to your mom for Mother's Day. That's just an idea. I can't wait to see what you've come up with.